Yo, what's good, Poke fan? We back again, once again on the Poke Dearest channel. Pack a day, every day, day number 401. And let's see if we can pull us a good hit today. Hey, we did a three-peat. See if we can go for the fourth. And the 4th of July is coming up. That would be dope, too. So, yes, we do got the Glaceon SIR. So, I do need the Leafeon SIR because I am chasing the SIR's Prismatic, as you know, is one of my favorite sets. Eevee is one of my favorite Pokemon. But we want to do the Master Set of Prismatic Evolution, and I want to get the SIRs graded. So, hopefully, we can pull something good in here, family. We got the Umbreon, we got the Glaceon, we just need the other 7. I thought that was, hey, when you know you got a God Pack, you get the, I think it's the Master Ball or the Pokeball Eevee. Hey, we was close, so we got an Eevee though, first card. A Spritzy, a Pulpator, Duskull, a Driplet, Glass Trumpet, a Heat Train, a Reverse Hollow Spritzy, and a Professor Research, and nothing. Being Archelodon and a Water Energy. And don't forget, QR code for the family. Last but not least, we do it early. Fam, thank you, ma'am. Gone. Yeah, all about that. But we did get nothing today in 401. It's all love. You win some, you lose some. But let's get to the binder where we will be doing a giveaway, giving away 8 binders, all the cards out of my personal Lucario binder. So, when we will do the giveaway, once the binder is filled up, we got 3.5 pages left, I believe, family. 3.5 pages. We're about to check that out now. And then I will show you the giveaway names, and I will have the instructions to be a part of the 8 binder giveaway. Let's get into it. So you will have your supporters. We have some EXs. We have some Apexes, Full Arts. We have Alt Arts, Reverse Hollows, Ultra Rares. We even got Radiants. We got some Sword and Shield. We got some Vs, VMAXs. I don't know if any V stars, but we'll check. We got some Shinies. We got some Rainbow Borders, Full Arts, Alt Arts. EXs, promo cards, more Sword and Shield. Here we go, promo, see the shiny borders. We got V's, more promo cards from Ascended Heroes, a promo card from the Knockout Box, Full Art, Pip-Pup, Phantasm Flame. Look at that, Snorlax, Big Back. More EXs, Charizard Y, Full Arts with that Emboar. Okay, we got Pokeballs. We got Team Rocket, Eradicate, Full Arts. We got the Bulbasaur, Mega Evolution Base. More Apex. EX's Master Ball. More Pokeballs. Pause. More Sword and Shield Reverse Hollows, Full Art Salamence. I'm negating on the EX. Nice. The Pikachu EX. That Ho-Ho EX. Mushmouth. Got more trainers and supporters. Love that Ethan's Ho-Ho right here. We either have the Team Rocket Moltres. Love that EX. Check it out. More Pokeballs, more Full Arts, more promo cards. And like I said, each binder will be different unless we have 8 promo cards, which I do of perfect order. I will see in a second. So each binder will get 1 promo card apiece. Here we go right here. This Mukachita. I think that's how you pronounce that, Mukachita. So we have 3, 6, 8. I got 10 of them. All right, so 2 extra people are gonna get the same card. Hey, if I get some more, you know what I'm saying? That's another one. 2 of them. More Full Arts, more Shinies, more Sword and Shields, more Sword and Shield fans. More Pokeballs, Spragritos, Full Arts, Altar, that Kyogre, that Palatine, Fighting Pokeball, Grass Pokeball, Water Pokeball, We got a Psychic Pokeball, normal type. We got Milk Tank. Roll out. And Block OD. Got back. Shout out to Ludacris, man. That Ludacris album about to come out soon. I'm about to listen to some Luda. Oh, man, let's get back on topic. We got more reverse hollows and hollows, more promo cards. That Glaceon EX. Check it out, check it out. That Zacius. Another Zacius. Tyranitar. EX, another Pokeball. And we filled that page up, so we didn't get nothing today. So let's count the pages. We got 1, 2, 3, 3.5, and then we will be giving a giveaway, and the giveaway will be on the weekend. So just to let y'all know. So now, get to the giveaway names. Congratulations to all the contestants that made it on the list this far. We still got about 10 slots left. And now, in order to be on the giveaway list, all you got to do, if you're new to the family, welcome to the family, hit that like button, hit the hype button on the video, like, share, and subscribe, sorry about that. Put your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section. And if you're already part of the family, hit that like button, hype the video, put your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section. I'm just going slow so you guys can see your name. If you're not on here, you still got time. Salute to everybody who made it on here. We doing 75 slots. We got 10 slots left. So, all right, family, we didn't get nothing today, so you know our motto. Got to collect them all. Got to catch them all. See if we can do it tomorrow on 402. Peace.